Hello, my name is Mr. Martino. I'm the principal at Edward J. Arthur Elementary, and I'm here with Miss Miller, principal at Coxsackie Elementary School.
Hi, everyone.
We wanted to welcome you all back to the 2020-21 school year. The purpose of today's open house is for teachers to communicate their program goals, student expectations, and your role as a parent of a CA elementary student. Today is a time for you to learn about your child's day and how you can help at home.
Also, Mr. Martino, families should know that the website is a great way to get information. Access to our parent-student handbook has much information for those frequently asked questions. And we can't forget about the parent portal. Make sure, parents, that your contact information is up to date, because this is how we communicate to all of you. Whether you're participating in person or remotely, we want to make sure that students in our schools have access to all the exciting events occurring in our district.
So now we will turn the program over to the stars of our buildings, your classroom teachers.
Have a great afternoon, everyone. See everyone on September 10th. Bye.